72 Central, Sunday morning. Sarah be up, but plenty of yawning. Hair like Don King, nothing to do with no boxing. She not had much sleep again, been plenty of snoring. She moans at me, but it's getting dead boring. Same old story, only me snoring. That's what we call oil change week in the man right frame. There's nothing like oil change week in the man right frame. The G's come home when the blood comes back. There's something about oil change week in the man right frame. Neither hot nor cold drives me round the bend. Don't say a word as we won't be friends. Only chocolates and beer gets her on the mend. Still touch and go if we're going to be friends. If it was the other way round, we'd never hear the end. Will this monthly cycle ever end? That's what we call oil change week in the man right frame. There's nothing like oil change week in the man right frame. The G's come home when the blood comes back. There's something about oil change week in the man right frame. But I just want my wife back how she used to be, before all the menstrual tension arrives and takes over her life. Walking on eggshells describes this strange time. Feel like I have been sent down and committed no crime. 1 week I'm on parole, it feels so good to have my wife back again and try to get her in the nut. That's all change week in the manner, my friend. Despite all this, true love will never end. My wife.